Happy World Environment Day. Is it just enough to celebrate and dedicate a whole day to our Mother Nature? From my perspective, each and every day should be dedicated to our environment and for its welfare. Myself, Sunman, and in today's video, I am going to put forward one invention and a super way to protect our Mother Nature. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Watching the beauty of nature virtually feels so relaxing, and we feel to visit all these places for our mental peace and refreshment of our soul. But in other hand, watch these videos. It shows the actual condition of slum areas in big cities. Personally, watching the two last videos of garbage and dirt just felt like this. He is Dr. Binish Desai, known as the Recycle Man of India, and he says nothing is useless in the world. Your waste is someone else's asset. He has a lab in which he conducts experiments on garbage. Through his experiments, he has made 193 outstanding innovations. This is an eco brick, or can be called as P-block brick, which is manufactured by recycling paper wastes and the biggest problem in today's world, the biomedical wastes, which comprises of PPE kits and face masks. Every month all over the world, humans are using 129 billion face masks, which means 3 million masks every minute. These eco bricks are manufactured in a successful ratio of 52% PPE plus 45% paper wastes plus 3% binder. And the best part of it is you can also be a part of this project by sending your used PPE, surgical and N95 masks, except cloth or cotton masks, on this. By cutting off both the strings of it, and the mask should not be dirty. But we have to make sure that the biomedical wastes which we have to send should be isolated for at least 72 hours so that the risk of any active virus would reduce. The eco bricks are having a mind-blogging speciality. It is 3 to 4 times stronger than the conventional bricks at twice the size and half the price. For more details, click on the link given below in the description. Things which are made from plastic and especially glass can be recycled easily, but the problem lies that there are not much people who collect and recycle these things properly. Yes, of course, the paper waste materials are collected and recycled by companies, but the main problem lies with plastic and especially glass, which pollutes the whole ecosystem of the earth. The solution which can reduce the pollution caused by glass and plastic is to follow the method of dumping waste like in Japan. In Japan, there are particular days in which only the mentioned waste products are collected and likewise they are dumped, recycled, or it is used in making manure, compost or fertilizers for agricultural use. We all know that our government would be doing their best in improving the condition of our nature and ecosystem. But to improve it more and make our earth more eco-friendly, share this video to as many people as you can, so that it would light up an idea which will be beneficial for our better future.